Don't mind those who are wasting their time crying on television. Have you seen where a candidate is going to INEC to collect CTC? Have you seen where a candidate will be going to INEC and want to go and collect CTC? What are your lawyers doing? What are agents doing? Those are duties of lawyers. What CTC do you want to collect? Can people see the truth of the matter? You lost the election, you lost the election. Even if you cancel the election 25,000 times in this state, you cannot win us in this state. Let the truth be told. Let us not, every day you waste your time, you go to Arise, you go to Channel, whatever you want to go and do, go, you have that time. I don't have that time. Our time is to fulfill promises we have made to our people. And that's why I told you, to 29th of May, we will not rest. We will continue to commission projects. Tomorrow we are going to commission the 11th flyover tomorrow. We are going to commission tomorrow at Mboba. Why they are interested, appearing on television, say, they beat me, they beat me. We are interested, commissioning. You know, this attitude of playing to the gallery, tell people the truth. And the truth is simple. APC as a party in this state is no longer in existence. Tell them the truth. And there's no amount of propaganda blackmail that will make Rivers State to change. How can people, you say people will read you? You say you made your presidential candidate to win. You say you made him to win Rivers. Maybe so. Your presidential candidate won, but you didn't get one Senate. What kind of winning is that? Who doesn't know who did it? Is he hidden? Look at people, human beings cannot come out and say the truth. They supported PDP candidate and they lost woefully, they didn't get 25%. We supported a Southern president, it's not true. We did, we want apologies for equity, fairness, and what? Justice. And we took the Senate, 3/3. We took 11 House of Reps out of 13. What can you do to us? Then at the state level, we gave you 32/32. We didn't keep one for them to tell them that we are responsible. We are in charge of this state. In fact, if not because of the time, I would have told them that we will cancel it. Let's go for the election. We are very, very good. Look at the projects we have done. Look at what every local government can attest to it. You are facing criminal charges of stealing our $50 million US. And you want us to come and give you power. We are already saying, give us our $50 million. And you say we should give you power. Is that possible? Is that possible? So I thank you for speaking up. Let us continue to deceive those they will deceive. How can anybody ever think that we in this Rivers State will lose the election? How? How? You will make the debt to rise. If PDP, Rivers State, I'm not talking about PDP Abuja. I'm talking about PDP Rivers State. No, it's not possible. Don't waste your time. If you like, go to police, sleep. It's your business. You choose to sleep there. If you like, open your bag, see what they did to me. If cockroach bites you, say they beat you. It's your business. It's your business. So if I were them, look, forget this wasting your time. Accord is going to tribunal. I mean, I can't understand. Accord too? What kind of politician that you wouldn't know when to stop? Accord had run the elections in 1999. Him too, he said they rig him. In your polling unit, you didn't win there where your own compound is. And you are saying that they told you no Igbo, that you want there. You didn't win your own polling unit, your own house. You are talking about the Igbo people. And the labor woman said, she too, she gone to tribunal. Look at how people are wasting resources, giving out lawyers. Have you seen any lawyer you call and say won't go? They need to pay their children school fees.
As they beat you, he go they pay you. As we the commission, he go they sweet us.
So I have always said, look, if the election, if we had opponents in the election, I would have said, look, yes, there was a context. In this case, they just went and wrote their names to say, hey, let it be there, let it be on record that we were on the ballot. That's all. We want all the 23 local government, 23. What kind of election you will say you want to go to tribunal? Is it because the one you did in 2015, it won't work again? It will not work again. You think this one is why you go and tell police to give police resort to come and tender? You're not going to work like that again. We know your system. We know you people. We know where you're heading to. We'll jam you there. We'll jam you there. So let nobody panic. Let nobody panic. We're coming for election 15th in Canada 2 wars. Dumdeka will be declared. He will win. So I urge all of us continue to be faithful, continue to be strong, because God is with us. I'm going home fulfilled. My shoulders are high, that I have done well, and we are finishing well. To God be the glory. How many of them can say they are finishing well? Can they say so? All those in Abuja who are planning how far? Are they not suffering for it now? I told the man who said, he said he was the former chairman. I said, hey, it don't start to. Where are you now? Where are you? You chop here, you chop here. Now, who is the victim now? You use our money to go and build a university. And nobody's talking. This is a country where you're a chairman of a party and the party performs so badly, you don't have the conscience to say, my dear party people, I'm turning in my resignation. I'm sorry for what happened. But you have that temerity to say, nobody can suspend me. Who told you you cannot be suspended? Who told you that? Who told you? When we suspended Secondus, and you came in as chairman, that time they can suspend. Now the same has applied to you, say they cannot suspend. Something must be wrong with you. Come back and preside as chairman. Look at a party that God gave every opportunity. Because of impunity, because of arrogance, they lost it. We didn't lose. We didn't lose.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.